JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Suwanee, Georgia this morning. It's another one of our customers found us on the internet. This one has, you probably see the pee trails there. Story I got was the wife said, I think we should get a puppy. He's like, all right. So they got two. So they got little puppy trails all over this house. It's a move out situation. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs. Kind of pee spots throughout. One there. Pea trails there. Got some on the stairs. And then downstairs. Is the worst. Go down the stairs hallway. See the little, looks like somebody took out a dirty trash bag and had a leak, but he said, no, we got a pee runner, I guess. Okay guys, I just wrapped up this 9 o'clock job. We got started about 9:30. Did a lot of video, so it took a lot longer. You can see it's a $240 job. 3 bedrooms, a hallway, 2 flights of stairs. There's actually a second hallway downstairs I'm giving to them for free. Had to use some soap defoamer because they're pet owners. Cleaned a couple HVAC returns, registers, and then all 7 areas got a free deodorizer because they are pet owners. Pretty much everything came out. I'm sure they're going to be ecstatic when they get back. Definitely took a lot more product and time than expected, but that certainly happens. So we had the 1 secondary bedroom, the hallway, this bedroom here. It smells a little like weed. The T hallway, the master. And then the closet in there. Oh yeah, and of course the worst room was the basement entry from the garage where at least one of the dogs, maybe both, is clearly an artist or aspiring to be an artist maybe. Sometimes it's hard to tell. Got the disco ball here. So yeah, if you remember, this area here was just I'm not even sure what word to use, but it was pretty. It was pretty. A lot of strings, spaghetti stripes. As always, we appreciate you watching. Take care. Be kind. If you would like to get into the carpet cleaning business, there should be a link below. Otherwise, reach out to us. OMG carpetcleaning.com. 404-500-9853. Take care and thanks for watching.